Welcome to Alikare, and I'm Thea. If you didn't know, and remember to hit that subscribe button and also press the bell so you don't miss our next video. Now, how can you make money in the beauty industry with starting off with no cash? I'm gonna give you some tips. There are a lot of persons out there that are in the beauty field or want to get into the beauty industry but do not have the money to start. Now, when you look at so many young girls out there that want a skill, but it's really hard for them, nobody to help you, or you're already in the beauty industry doing little things but want to get bigger but waiting on the cash, I said don't wait, you can start now. And if you're already in the beauty industry, you can take advantage of some of these things that you can do. Now, when you start beauty culture, like for instance you get up and you start a course, you maybe start the course to get a job, or you might start to open your own business. I've noticed the ladies that start the course, and when they start the course, they didn't expect that they have to do theory. They thought they're going to come in, braid some hair and it look nice, and that's it. They thought they're going to come in, put in some chemical, and that's it. They're not thinking about book work. And this is why I am pleading to all the YouTube creators that are in the beauty industry, that putting up beauty videos, leave some of the unedited videos, like give a blooper at the end. Let these young ladies know that it's not about the glam. Before you get to the glam, there was something that you have to do to get there. Or put up some motivational videos on your channel so young girls out there can see the real aspect of what is going on behind the camera. Because there are so many ladies that attend my beauty school that when they start the first 2 weeks, they want to stop because they don't know that they have to do book work. They just want to get there, and this is not how you make money. This is not how you grow in the industry, and this is not how you land the perfect job or start the perfect business. So I'm going to give you some tips. First, when you start, ask yourself why you start. If you see somebody in the beauty industry that you admire and you want to be like them, start to research how they get there before you start saying I want to do this. Because how they get there, they didn't just start there. There are many people that do beauty videos, and when they start off, their videos were not perfect, their content were not perfect, and what they do once they get monetized, they delete some of those videos. Unlike myself, when I start off, my phone have 1,000 crack on it, but I decided that I was going to start, and I couldn't afford a good phone that would give me a good visual. And so I started with a beat up Samsung phone, and Samsung phone are good, but mine dropped about 1,000,000 times and the screen was cracked. I didn't know anything about editing or anything at all. I could hardly see anything on the phone, but I started. So now that I'm monetized and I'm getting somewhere, I decide that I'm going to put those videos in hiding. But in a second thought, when I started to do this video, like I was structuring to do this video, I said, you know what, I'm not going to hide those content. I'm not going to be like the others, because people need to know that you don't have to have everything perfect to start. Once you start, that's the key. Just start. Block out all the criticism and start. And also, criticism, that is what gets you ahead. It's what makes you stronger to grow, and it's what motivates you to see if you really need these things. Because if you really need it, you would avoid criticism and go for it. You won't let that stop you. So I'm going to start. Who is this video for? This video is for somebody who wants to make some money in the beauty field. You have a job and you want to do something on the side. You're going to school but you don't have enough money to maintain school. Or you're already working for somebody, want to launch out for yourself but don't just want to walk off your job. This is for you. You're a stay-at-home mom, or you're pregnant, or you can't do much work, and you love beauty culture. You live your life on YouTube watching beauty videos and would love to start there but don't have the capital to start. This video is for you. So how to make some money now in the beauty industry. And definitely there will be a part 2 to this video. I know I have a channel that I give how to make money and passive income. But the reason why I decided to put this video on this channel is because it's talking about beauty. It's about making money in the beauty industry and the fashion industry. So I said, let me come on here and give all the young ladies or men, because the men, you can make some money off it too. Everybody wants to look good, so it's for everybody. And let me say everybody, meaning male, female, accountant, lawyer, doctors, we all need to look good. So let's get into it. Number one, you don't have to have no money at all you need is internet and an Android phone. And basically everybody have internet and a phone nowadays. And if you don't have internet at your home, that paid internet, you have it at work, and you have people with free Wi-Fi. You have some zone and plazas and like fast food place that you can get Wi-Fi. You just need to make at least one post every week or 2 times for the week if you don't have internet. If you're at home and you have internet, you can make a post every day, because if you're stayed at home, mom, maybe you have internet. Or you can use data, and you put on some data on your phone, and when you put on that data, it lasts maybe 24 hours or 3 days. You can go ahead and use data to do this video. And it's blog posts. Now you're saying to yourself, how am I going to do blog posts and I don't know how to start a blog? I'm going to tell you how to start a basic blog doing beauty posts. It could be anything, but we're referring this video to beauty. It could be anything you could be doing with the blog post. Where do I find a blog? And of course, I'm going to give you one that is exactly what you need, because starting a blog with different companies, there are certain criteria that you have to pass, and if you don't meet them, or if the blog company or the website company don't meet them, then you can't get monetized on it. Alright, so the first one is blogspot.com. So basically everybody have a blog on their phone. Once you have an Android phone and a Google account, there is something that come up on it named Blogger. Do you get a plugin account? It's on your Google. Blogger.com. It's already with Google, so Google don't have to worry about it being ineligible for monetization, because what happened, Google do not broadcast anything that is negative on their platform, and it's controlled by Google. And the difference is, if you go to a free making website like Wix and all of those websites, not saying that they just go ahead and put some porn on their website, but you do not control. You have webs.com and all those .coms that are free, that you can do free sites on, that don't cost you any money. You do not control that. You do not control that website, so they are free to advertise anything on it. Hackers, anything can come up on it that is not pleasing to the YouTube business world, meaning the advertisers, and to even people who want to use you to discuss brand promotion for them, or brand reviews. So it wouldn't look good on your content. So it's better you go on a platform that will help you to look more professional and stand out, so people will always want to invite you in their home. They don't have to worry about their kids or anybody watching, or stay at home mom, or the person who you are going to gravitate to. So you do not want those people have to be weird when they pick up the phone and say, let me go see what Stacy is doing now, right? So you're going to just use blogger.com. So make that account. You can put up videos on it. You can put we call them podcasts on it. You can also put pictures, you can write on it, and you can review product. Now in yourself, you're saying, who is gonna know that I do that? Maybe the place that you live in, you don't have a circle around you that read those things. Your girlfriends are around you, don't read those things. But I'm telling you, people do. If you have an Instagram account, post it on it. If you have Facebook account, share it on it. If you have email account, share it. If you know your friends are working, you can use emails. You can go in the directory, look for emails, and email out your blog to people. Just put in the email, add the email to your Google account, like your Google email. Add everything to it, just like when you add in a normal email, and then you just make one share and it will goes out. People want to click on it. Use unique names. Like for instance, you're doing castor oil. How do I use castor oil to steam my hair? Or how do I take care of my nappy hair? Do stuff like that. Or review on baby oil, something, and people will go there and look. Also, because it's blogger.com, I don't know, when I used to do blogging and blogger.com, I do get people read it, and I did not know anybody. I was such an introvert. I have over 4,000 people reading my blogs. So that's one way you can make money. The second way is by making an Instagram account. You do not need money to make Instagram account, and you can do the same thing. Take your phone, make small podcasts and review about people who you see, do beauty, anything in beauty, or just start to dress up and write about the clothes that you wear, how you mix your fashion. Because I have this dress, right, and I can take off this coat and wear a black jacket with it. I can even wear a red jacket with this, right? I can wear red shoes with it. I can mix it with a red bag. Just show them how you mix your fashion, how you dress, what goes on in your world. If you're a baby mommy and you're at home, show how you take care of your baby, the little things that you do at home without no money. Just simply put up things that you do, what you're eating for the day. Just put it up and you can make some money. What you eat for the day, and it's not a eating channel or eating content you're putting up, it's beauty content, but you're showing that what you eat, you could still use that what you eat in your hair and your skin. Like rice is good for my skin. I make rice powder. I even use rice in my hair. So you see, what I eat for the day is what I use in my hair. Just say things like this that will get people out there to read your content, right, and want to go on your content and want to give reviews. And guess what, people will contact you to give reviews on their product. People will want to, just your input, because true, you have so much of a high follower, and people start to trust your reviews and really look into what you're saying, and they're saying that, oh, I believe in this person, because they're giving raw details. It's not like somebody's paying you to do it, so you're giving your real advice, and people will pay you for your advice, right? So that's the second way you can make some money. Starting YouTube channel. You do not have to have money to have a YouTube channel. All you need is an Android phone. As I said before in the first part of the video, I said that quality is what really works. If you have quality, you will get better view, but better you start. So if you have a simple Android phone, make sure you have good lighting and start there. As soon as you start growing, you will able to get a camera. Long before I get even qualified on YouTube, I have people send me camera because they like my content, they like what I'm doing, and they wanted my video to look good, so they send me camera. And voila, I am still here, right? And I started. So you can do reviews and videos. You can do so many things. You can do braiding videos. You can do nail videos. Really works out. All you need is 1,000 views and 4,000 watch hours. Now, while you're on YouTube doing beauty videos, you can make money before you're even qualified being a YouTuber, meaning before you get monetized being a YouTuber. Expecting to get paid from YouTube shouldn't be your main focus. And so you're doing beauty videos on YouTube, what will happen, people will want you to do things for them. So if you're living in certain area, who to tell, somebody might ask you, they will finish your schooling for you, you can come and work with them. Or in your own country, you can start to do some mobile services. So they will watch your video, they're at home Sunday evening watching YouTube, one of your videos popped up, you can just put an email how they can contact you. You're in Jamaica, whichever country you're in, and somebody will call and say, do you do home service? You can even put that in your description, and people will book you for appointments, and you can go there and do whatever you advertise that you can do, whether it's massage, whether it's facial, whether it's makeup, or whether it's hair, right? Just start. That's the third tips. The fourth one, you can sell beauty products on a website. So you do not need no money for a website. You have some website like Shopify. You have right now on Instagram you can open a website. I don't know if you have to pay at first, right? But I know you have to pay for the ads, and actually you run the ads before. You can also sell beauty products on Facebook. You don't have no money. You don't need to have money to start, but you can also run paid ads on Facebook and Instagram before you start. If you did the first tip that I posted, which is the blogger, you can post that as your website if you want to do all of them, or if you're just doing one, run ads on Facebook and it will drive traffic to your website, and there people who don't know about you will know about you, and so Google will start run ads. You can apply for Google AdSense on your blogger and they will start run it, just as if what you will do on your YouTube channel once you meet the requirement. For the Instagram, I know what brand people will call you and email you and want you to do promotion for them, and that's how you get paid on Instagram. There are other ways you can make money on Instagram. I'll do a separate videos for that, but that's the way to go if you're doing Instagram, and it build up your views and it also build up your followers, and with great followers you will get brand company like people who have Soft Sheen, Savlon, anything at all when it comes to beauty. Some hair companies will send you here to review and also put on and give your opinion, and they will pay you for it. You can get affiliate link for all of these sites that I'm talking about. When somebody buy a product through you, they get you get a commission and they get a discount. So they will want to buy through your affiliate link more than go straight to the website. And all of these platforms that I'm telling you about, you can put the affiliate link on it. So that's number 4, the YouTube channel, the blogger, the Instagram, and Facebook, where you can sell your beauty products on Facebook. You can sell it even on Instagram too. And how do you sell beauty products? Because in yourself you're saying, I don't have the products. There are so many beauty companies out there that do dropship. You do not have to have money for any of these things that I'm telling you about. What you do, you write to them, meaning you email them, tell them that you're interested into selling their beauty products, and will give you permission to put their things on your website. And once you put their things on your website, what will happen when somebody buy, you email them back to let them know that somebody buy, give them the address. It's like you buying from them, but you give them the person's address and they send the beauty products to them, and voila, you keep, and also all the payments are coming to you, right? So once the payment come to you, you send it go to your manufacturer, and your manufacturer ship it to them, and you keep your profit, right? And this is how you can sell some beauty products. All you have to do is just advertise, and you can do it on Facebook where somebody ordered the product. You tell them how much it is for delivery, whether it's 7 days or 10 days for delivery, 3 days for delivery. After they pay, they use that money to buy the product, bring in the product, and then ship it to the person. So those are ways that you can make some money here on YouTube with no money at all to start. No money. You don't need no money to start again. And if you have any question, please comment below and let me know if you have any questions, or if you want some more detailed videos on how to do that. If you want a tutorial video on how to set up a blogger, let me know and I will do one for you. So this is Thea. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And thank you so much for watching.